So, I'm Dr. Musharraf. I'm looking after this place. I just wanted to meet you just to have a feedback about the services, hospital, staff, and fine all. So, first of all, how are you feeling now?
Wow, I'm feeling great and new lease of life, really,
Great.
because I came here very sick. And it's now the fifth day after surgery, and I feel like I didn't even go through surgery. I am doing very well.
Great, ma'am. Thank you. Thanks a lot. And this will give us a motivation to serve better to the patients.
Yes.
So, what was your problem when you got admitted here?
I had the pus in my spine, and it was not detected back at home.
Hmm.
It was detected after nearly 4 months of suffering, trying so many hospitals. And when we did the MRI back home,
Hmm.
it was seen that there was pus in my spine. That is how I landed here in India.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how did you find us? How did you find this hospital?
Somebody, when now the doctors wanted to do the surgery back home,
Hmm.
my brothers sat down and thought, I think India will do it better
Okay.
because it's a delicate operation.
Hmm.
And they went to the internet. Somebody referred them to Apollo, somebody who has been here before.
Okay.
So when they went to the internet, they got all the information that we needed to get about Apollo.
Okay. Right, ma'am. So, what is your experience like in hospital with the front office or the nursing staff, with the other service staff?
I'll go back a little bit. When we started the communication with Apollo, it was so amazing.
Right.
The
Thank you.
communication was up to date. It was, you want to get an information about Apollo, it is answered immediately. Everything, just from home, the communication was so good, and we were rest assured that we are coming to safe hands. When
Thank
we
you.
reached here, we were really amazed because the staff here, just from the reception, also being picked from the airport, things were just amazing. Things were just moving like the way we were promised to the communication.
Thanks a lot.
And
Thank you.
the services before surgery, all the tests were done to make sure that I was fit for surgery.
Okay. Okay.
And that really gave us that hope that I'll go home walking again. And now the staff here, the nurses, the doctors, I'm just amazed that there are services like this that still exist.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a
Yeah,
lot for
the hospital
this.
is clean, the staff is clean, everything is just amazing. And we are leaving this place a very happy people.
Okay, right, ma'am. So, hi, how do you find like the medical staff, especially doctor and the team who are treating you?
They used to come to our room every other time to check on us. And I remember the day for surgery, things were prepared very early in the morning because we were doing the surgery in the morning. And the doctors came in the morning, checked on us, the sisters, the nurses, everything was set. And when I came out of surgery, oh, I was so happy.
Right, ma'am. Thank you. So, the question like any feedback or message you want to give us of like any suggestion or any area of improvement?
Um, Area of improvement, I didn't see because I found everything was just good. And there's a note I've seen there, the signboard that says, even if I do not remember the names of the nurses and the sisters and the doctors that worked on me,
Right.
but their services I will remember. And for sure, your services I will always remember, even if I don't remember your names.
Right. No,
They
thanks
are
a
up
lot.
to date.
Thank you very much. And I will say just only get well soon.
Thank you.
And sir, any feedback or any suggestion from your side?
I think what my wife has said is absolutely true and correct, because I was so much worried coming from Kenya in the plane. I was anxious. I really just wanted her to reach here because I knew when we come here, from the reports I'd heard, the biography I'd seen about Dr. Nipum, who was going to do surgery on her, I knew that she was going to be in safe hands. And let me say that my expectations were met. I was so happy. I was able to spend in one room with her. So it was as if, in fact, I was just telling her today, it's as if we were at home. We feel so much at home. And even as we are being discharged, going to the hotel, it's like we are moving out of our house. It's as if we are being told, go. But we've enjoyed our stay here. I think the way you've set up the hospital is so nice, so friendly. Everybody, very friendly, all the workers. Even if there is that language barrier, especially with the staff that is doing the cleaning, but they try their best, even with some languages and the smiles, and it has been wonderful. Maybe just one little thing that I would just like to ask for improvement is at the airport. Because my wife she could not walk. I think next time, if you maybe have the services of an ambulance to pick the patient from the airport.
Thanks for the suggestion.
That would make it much more comfortable, because that to me is where I felt like I thought that when I arrived, I would get medical staff there picking her in the ambulance and bringing her here. I think if you make an improvement on that,
Definitely.
That would be a very good reception for any patient who is coming in. Because that's the first place where they land in India. In fact, it's like they are coming into Apollo through the airport. So they need to meet Apollo at the airport.
Definitely.
Yeah,
definitely.
so I think
we'll take care of this, and definitely I'm taking your feedback as a positive suggestion. So we'll work on that, definitely.
Okay.
So thank you very much.
Thank you
Thanks
very much.
a lot.
We appreciate so much.
Thank you, and get well soon. Thank you.